Get excited about the 2013 Ford Edge. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Ford infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, speed-sensitive wipers, heated door mirrors, and a split-folding rear seat. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.